Okay, need to talk a little bit about the cleanup process. You don't have to, but it's a good idea to take big drill bits out of the drill chuck. You're going to take all the stuff that you've touched and you're going to take it to the sanitation table, which you've seen before. All the parts that are down here can probably all be chemically sanitized, or we have a process to heat sanitize some of them. And you're going to have worked with rubber gloves. I forgot to put the gloves on today because I don't usually do that. But even though you've been around it, they need to go away. I'll swap out, and we'll have different tool posts and tool holders. So don't worry about those, but you do want to work with your wrench. You've grabbed the grabbed these pretty well. So put all these on the sanitation table. Brush all of the chips off and into the chip tray that's underneath here. And you'll need to roll the carriage pretty far down out of the way. Then pull the chip tray out, take it to the trash can and empty it. And you might, before you go, take up a little bit, get whatever else you can out of here. And put the empty tray back. I can't get to the something like this goes into the quarantine box. The stuff that's all material, like the file that you will have handled, cutting tools, they will go over into the sanitation table and I will sanitize them.